Hello everyone, welcome to GED. Today we have some beautiful spicy chicken naan sandwiches. Got a little lettuce on there, little mayo, little mustard. They're super spicy and amazingly delicious, but hey. So guys, the month of July is kind of worrying me. I don't know about everyone else out there in the world, but man, where I'm living, the state I'm living in, not the state I'm living in, but the state I'm living in has the virus on the rise, right? I mean, everything is going absolutely bonkers out here. They're reporting crazy high amounts of utilization in hospitals, and I don't know. I feel like America did not do enough to keep themselves separated, safe, etc., etc. But that's just my opinion. I mean, people out there may feel differently. And then we got the whole other economic issue that's going on out there. And then on top of that, piled on that, we got the whole social issue going on out there. So, I mean, it's just issue after issue after issue. There's tons of memes out there on the internet about how crazy stuff is and how 2020 is just going to be a wreckful, wasteful year. But hey, we got to see how it turns out, right? In terms of turning out good, these chicken sandwiches, oh my gosh, they are so good. But man, let me tell you something. They are spicy and they are hot. I don't know exactly what type of chicken patty these were when I was eating them, but the spice level was through the roof, and you can see on them, they look like a standard like McDonald's or fast food patty, but oh boy, they were on fire. And me personally, I don't really enjoy spicy foods, but yeah, occasionally. So I don't know, reach out to me and tell me how you guys are doing or what your plans for the month of July and onward in the year 2020 are going to be. Because again, guys, I don't know, it's wild west out there. And it can only get crazier as time progresses. Oh yeah, and then we got the elections, the presidential elections coming up. And I don't know, I've never been a political person, and I don't claim to be on either side, up, down, left, right, whatever you want to say. It's just crazy. There's no words for it. Literally no words for it. So guys, I'm going to leave you with the rest of this video. Not too much, but a little bit of this delicious naan and chicken. And just think about 2020, what you're going to do, how you're going to get over it, how we as a group of people out there are going to survive when basically the whole world is just on fire. That's all I can say. This chicken's on fire, the world's on fire, 2020 is on fire. We got to put this out somehow, guys, and get through it to better times. But yeah, better times indeed. Anyways, remember to game, eat, and discuss, and I will catch you in the next one.